Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today I'll teach you guys how to redeem your M&S gift card, alright? So follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to search for Mark and Spencer, alright? M-A-R-K and Spencer.com. Make sure you type this on your URL. You can pause the video to see the URL, or you can just search for it like I did, Marks and Spencer. Once it brings you to its website, you want to order something, alright? So you can only redeem your card when you purchase something, and during the time of payment, you can enter your card details. So I'm going to purchase a random thing, but you should purchase what you want, alright? So I'm going to go for this, and it has been added on my basket over here. Now what I can do is just click on my basket and click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, it's going to bring me over here, and all the thing which I ordered is going to be shown over here. So I'm going to click on checkout securely, and since I don't have an account, I'm going to choose guest checkout, but if you have an account, you can log in into it. Once you click on guest checkout, it's going to ask you for your email address, so make sure to enter your email address over here, and over here enter the postcode of the town you live in. Once you enter the postcode, enter the store which you want to pick up your clothes from. I'm choosing the first one, and I'm going to choose the delivery date. Click on confirm selection, and over here where it says use gift card, click on it and enter your gift card number over here. Click on apply. If the gift card number you entered over here is correct, it's going to be added over here. Once it's added over here, scroll a bit down, click on place order and pay, and your gift card will be used as a form of payment for buying whatever thing which you have ordered right now, alright? So that's how we guys can use our M&S gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.